Hey guys, today I am making sazanyama, aka poppin' stew. First, I start by cutting up my meat, adding some salt and water and letting it boil till the water's gone. Once the water's gone, I add all my spices and some cooking oil and I saute. Then I add some onions and mix. And then I add some tomatoes and I mix and let it simmer for a little bit. While it's simmering, I make some bouillon sauce with water and the Rego. Then I add that, mix it in and let it simmer. While that's simmering, I add some water and some cornmeal. And I mix it all in until it starts bubbling. Let it bubble for about 5-10 minutes. Then I start adding more cornmeal until it stiffens up like that. And ta-da! My mom made me some pumpkin leaves, so I added that. Thanks, guys.